When you come to editable data pages, you can see scopes are only two: editable data page, thread scope, requester scope. Do you have node scope here? You need to think about data page sharing for the node scope, and tell me why Pega has not made node scope available for editable data pages. What is the business reason behind this? There's no technical reason behind this, only business reasons are there.
Yeah, node-level data pages are used to hold the reference data, which are not changed frequently or not changed by the user on the dynamically.
No, no.
So changes made by other user will be reflected
Other
to the
user.
yeah.
Yeah, what you're saying is also correct. Now, the business reason is one user data should not be changed by other user. If it is editable, means purpose is to edit the data, right? You will create editable data page whenever you want to edit the data page data. Suppose if it is node level, I thought I can go ahead and request, I'm going to request for this data page. It has been available on the clipboard. I thought I wanted to edit it during the processing. I want to edit the value of X to Y, let's say. But someone else has come at node level, right? It will be shared for other resource also. Someone else has come and they edited the data page value. What happens now? The expected results or values will not be available on the data page. So one requested data should not be given for other requested to edit. So because of this reason, data pages with data pages of data which are editable mode are being removed with the option of node scope in order to prevent updates by multiple requesters on same data. That should not happen. If that happens, if that is allowed, means data will be inconsistent. Your expected data might not be there on the data page. For the business reasons, data pages are being given only with thread and requester scope for editable mode. Node scope has been removed. This is clear, everyone? There is no technical reason behind this. Now, savable database is something I'll tell you later, not required.